Today I made a Joker figurine in 5 colors using my tool chainer Snapmaker U1 printer. You can see footages of the printing process alongside some issues I encountered, like the fall of the prime tower, or accidentally putting my hand inside the printer and generating an error. All went good, and look at this beautiful final result. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel. It's free and would help me a lot. Thank you for watching.